What is going on, everybody, and welcome to another Minecraft video. So today I have a template that you can download in the description of this video, and it's a structures to be able to move structures in your world using the structure block to another world. So it's how to move structures from world to world with the structure block, and I created the add-on so you guys can move these pretty easy without having to know how to do anything, but I'll show you how to do it. So I created this little nether 1.16 thing right here, and all you have to do is literally you could create anything. So I'm just gonna get me some dirt and just build something like that. You could grab yourself a structure block, throw it down, and as long as whatever inside of these lines, which you could change the lines by the way, so I'm just gonna do 50 just to show you. There you go. So it's humongous. I mean, you could do a 64 by 64 by 64 chunk area inside of a structure block here, but we're not going to do this one. I'm just showing you guys. As long as it's inside of the lines, you can export this, and it's pretty cool. So I'm just going to delete that real quick, and I already have it set up right here. So we're going to move this to a completely brand new world that I'm going to make in front of you guys so you could see. Inside the chest is this, and I'm going to summon a strider. So a strider real quick. All right, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to save, and I'm going to, instead of save to memory, that's not that really, actually, you know what, I'm not even going to save it. I'm just going to export it because I don't have the add-on enabled on this world. If you have the add-on enabled, you can go ahead and click save and then save in memory or to the disk. Depending on if you're on your computer or not. Dang it, that's Strider. Alright, summon another one. Alright, so we got him in there. I'm going to go ahead and click exporting. Boom. So he should be in there. I'm going to go to my desktop. It's going to be nether stuff. Let's go to export. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and back out real quick. And I'm going to minimize Minecraft a little bit. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and drag this structure file. You can see that the nether stuff file here. So after you've already created whatever, and you export it into your desktop or like, you know, on your computer or whatever, and you get it, you can drag this over into the structures file on the template that I got for you guys in the description. Inside the structures, we have nether stuff. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to create a brand new world. I'm going to go to creative. Let's go to multiplayer. Let's go to behavior packs, and we're going to load in the structures template right here. Click yes, and create a brand new world. And then I'm going to give myself a structure block, and you should be able to just type in, load it, go to type in and load and stuff, and it should spawn in. So let me go ahead and give myself a structure block real quick. So give @p structure block. There we go. And you can rotate and do all sorts of really cool fun stuff. So let me just kind of go off a little bit, and maybe I kind of wanted to be in there we go, some snow right there. I'm going to come over here so that way I'm not like in the trees and stuff and it like just breaks and things like that. So let me just summon this in right, kaboom. Alright, so all you got to do is click on load and just type in nether stuff. Just like so, and click load. There you go. Boom. Loaded it in. And then if you want, let me just control V that real quick. Let me come over here and place this down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it at 180, and I'm going to mirror X. So I'm going to load that. There you go. Boom. So this is what it looked like before I rotated it and stuff. So then I rotated it. It's a little bit different. There we go. So that's pretty neat. So that's how you would move structures or whatever, builds and things from one world to another world. A lot of people might already know this and stuff, but I kind of wanted to give you a template so that way if you're building a map, and it breaks, or you kind of want to have backups of certain builds you're doing and you kind of want to move them to servers or kind of move them around to your friends' worlds and stuff, this is a great way to do it. But that is pretty much it. It's a quick little tutorial. Like I said, you can get the template in the description. I'll even leave the nether stuff thing that I built as the test template part. So if you guys want to use that, you can. That is pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. I'm DAKONBLACKROSE, and I'm out.